Hey kids, it's Mr. Belonio here. And remember that penguin I drew not too long ago? This guy dancing on my table? Well, I thought it'd be fun to do a clay project. So if you have any clay, air dry clay like Model Magic or Sculpey, which I am actually going to be using, get it out and then I'll show you how to make this little character right here in 3D. I already took the clay out of the plastic from the Sculpey packaging, and I already set up my colors. I'm only going to use blue and yellow and a little bit of white. Now, if you're using a different brand of clay like Model Magic and it's all white, that's all right, because when it air dries, actually you have an advantage. When it dries, you can color that with markers or paints. This one, I can do that as well, but I think I'm saving time by using the actual color of the penguin's features. All right, I'm gonna start forming the basic shapes. Remember when we drew the penguin, we started with basic shapes, so the same thing for a three-dimensional form. I'm going to make a whole bunch of ovals. So enjoy this time lapse, and then I'll talk to you afterwards. In my opinion, your hands are your best tools when working with any kind of clay. However, if you have something like a plastic fork or knife, those work well too. Here you'll see the basic forms I created before I put it all together. Be careful with clay when you have different parts. Don't just stick the clay parts together because they'll fall apart. You'll see here I use a plastic dull knife to create these slits on the certain sections where I attach things like the flippers and the feet. If you're using air dry clay like Model Magic, it is best to make all your parts as thick as you can, because if they're thin, they will just crack over time. Now, I'm not using air dry clay, I'm actually using Sculpey. With Sculpey, you preheat the oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and then an item that small should be in the oven for about a good 15 minutes. Kids, do not do this on your own. Make sure you have a parent or guardian helping you with this step if you are using Sculpey. After the 15 minutes, I took my penguin out of the oven, and I have a couple markers to do a couple little details, and I should be good to go. Concludes this lesson on making a clay penguin. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.